Hello friends, welcome back to Science Capsule, a perfect self-learning tool. We have been learning various ICT tools for effective teaching learning process. In the last video we have seen how to get the stored information in Google Form into Excel sheet, one of the most important ICT tool which have been uploaded in this channel. If you have not watched that video, then you will find it in the I button, and I'll also provide in that description box. You can follow that link to watch those videos. Today we are going to see how to create an online quiz and can share with our students and have good assessment. So this video is going to be very interesting and informative, so watch till the end of this video. If not, subscribe this channel because more and more video on ICT tools likely to be uploaded in this channel. So without wasting much time, let us get into today's video. Let us start a new quiz with different types of questions to be asked. For this you have to log into your account, enter the password, then click next. Now click on these 9 dots and we know that how to open a form. We have already created 2 forms, so click on the form and on the bottom right corner see a plus sign. Click on this. See here, create a new form. Click on this new form, then a new form will be obtained. So this is how we created a form in the last 2 episodes we have seen. Here we are not going to collect any information, we are going to create a quiz for assessment process. So this form needs to be converted into a quiz. So in order to do that, on the top right corner you see settings, one option, click on this, and here quizzes, click on quizzes, then make this a quiz. This button needs to be enabled, and the rest all we will see little later. Just you enable this. Once you enable, then after saving you will see here answer key, one option comes here. This answer key option is very important because this option gives many more features. Let us discuss one by one. So I am going to create some questions. Let us design this quiz. Before that we have to enter the topic here. So the title needs to be written. So here I write online quiz. Then here this is for class 6. So here I write class 6 science. So this is the title, and we are already familiar with how to give titles and other descriptions. Now we design the question. So once the title is over, next part is we have to design the questions. Different types of questions can be asked. Let us see each question type in detail. First we will see about the questions and what type of options we can give. About that also we will see in detail. So watch till the end of this video so that you will get that more clarification. So the first question: animals which eat only plants are called. Here we can straight away give a blank and the student can enter their option. Otherwise we can give 4 different options, accordingly the student can select. So here first option we will make it as an objective type, so multiple choice question. So 4 options we will be giving. In that one answer will be correct. So how to do that? You give all the options first. Here first I am writing here carnivore. Second one I enter omnivore. Thirdly I'll enter here herbivore, and last one I enter none of the above. Alright, here we have entered questions and all the 4 options. Now we have to allot which option is correct and the marks also to be awarded. So here answer key is the option. By using this we can add some features. So click on answer key. When you enter it, which option is correct, that has to be selected. We know that animals which eat only plants are called herbivores, so that option should be clicked. And we have to allot point here. Here you can give 1 point. Since it is an objective type questions, mostly it can carry 1 point. Alright, so apart from this you can give some feedback also. So that also we will see. Click on add answer feedback. Here if the student commits mistake or incorrect option is chosen, then what type of message the student should receive? You are wrong, then click. And in correct answer, if the student chooses correct option, then here we can enter well done, right? So click on save. So all these changes we have made. So correct option selected, then feedback both the way, correct answer in case of correct answer, in case of incorrect answers also feedback we have mentioned. And if you don't want to show any feedback, then just you can click on the delete button. Then awarding mark is very important component, so you should not forget. Otherwise, even if the student chooses correct option, marks will not be awarded. So you have to take care of this option. Once everything is checked, then you can click on done to complete the first question. So first question is over. The first question is the objective type question. For this answer, 1 point is given, and the correct answer is herbivores. As you can see, a tick mark on herbivore. So first part is over. And you see here, required option should not be enabled, because privilege should be given to the students. If the student know the answer, then he or she can appear, otherwise he can have the option to skip. So in order to do that, just disable the required option. And one thing, the student should enter their name, right? So that has to be entered. So here click on this, and just you hold and drag here so that you can, so entering name should be the first option. So here you write enter your name over. So enter your name should be short answer, and here see here enabled, each and every student appearing the quiz should enter their name. So click on required option. So it is mandatory one. You no need to enter into answer key option, since for entering the name of the student we are not going to award any point. After title it should be entering name, and if you want to include class and all, that can also be passed. So I'm not going to waste time by entering all those details. You can practice. Now let us see another question here with a different type. So for this I am not going to use a multiple choice. Here we are going to use some checkbox. So for that I am creating question, which of the following are omnivores. So here multiple values we can use. So before that, here multiple choice, the radio button is there, we have to convert it into checkbox. So click here, then click on checkboxes. In the first option I am going to write cow, in the second option cat, third option would be lion here, fourth option here I am writing goat, fifth option would be here dog, and the sixth option would be eagle. Like that you can enter multiple values. Here the student should pick the correct answer. So once the question and options are written, then awarding marks is the next option. Click on answer key. Then here we know that cat and dog are the correct options. For that we can award 2 points. Here the student needs to select 2 options, so 2 points we can give. And answer feedback needs to be given. In case of incorrect answer, we can give here no, it's wrong answer. Then for correct option, here we can give excellent. Any positive feedback you can give on choosing correct option. So once it is, you see here 2 points given to different options with the check boxes, and the feedbacks positive and correct answers, and the wrong incorrect answers feedback also given. Once it is over, then click on done. So second question also created. So required you keep it disabled. So 2 types of questions, one is radio button, second one is multiple choice we have seen. Now if one word answer in like that question, how to create about that we will see. For that we create another question here. For this I am entering a question, honey bees collect sweet juices present in the leaves called dash. Here fill in the blanks, dash. So one word answer, for that we can use a short answer, right? So honeybees collect sweet juices. We know that these sweet juices are called nectar. the student supposed to enter the answer as a nectar. So here short answer key, here you click add correct answer. Answer is nectar, and sometimes the student may enter through keyboard capital letter, the first letter nectar. See here, the answers are case sensitive. The actual spelling is nectar. The student should enter nectar. Some of the students may enter like this with all the letters lowercase, and some may enter with the first letter capital. So we can give both the options. And see here, mark all other answers incorrect. Here we have to check this option, because other than this option the student should not get any point. So for this question I am going to award 1 point. So this is how we can complete the question. Click on done. So far we have created 3 different types of questions. One is with the radio button, second one is with the multiple options by using this check boxes, third one is the student will enter through keyboard. So 3 different types of questions we have seen. Now in order to finish it, let me add one more question. So we have designed the questions for 5 points, that is 5 marks. So let us have a preview. Click on this preview button. We are familiar with this option. So here you see online quiz, classic science, required field. Here name is the mandatory field, rest all is not mandatory. So for first question we have 1 point, for second question we have 2 points, for third question we have 1 point, and for fourth question we have 1 point. So altogether 5 points. Still the quiz needs to be improved. How it can be see here. Now whenever you are creating a quiz, one of the most important option that has to be enabled is go to settings option, and here limit to 1 response. Why? Because each and every student must enter or appear for the test only once. The student is not allowed to enter multiple values. So limit to 1 response needs to be clicked. And here edit after submit should not be checked here, because if you click on this option, what will happen, the student can edit their answer after some time also. So in order to avoid that, once the student clicks on submit, they cannot edit that. So in order to do that, click uncheck this. So keep both the check boxes unchecked. So after this, go to quizzes option. Here we have to see a couple of options. See here, immediately after each submission, here once the student clicks on submit button, then grade will be given to the student. So here related to that 2 options, immediately after each submission, once the student clicks on the option submit button, then immediately the student can see their score. If you want to allow that, then you can click immediately after each submission option. Once you review the answers, after that only the student can able to see, then in that case you can click on later after manual review. So as far as this option is concerned, the student can be allowed to see their score. So click on immediately after each option, and it is up to you which option you are going to keep. And respondent can see, here you see 3 check boxes are already checked. Here we can leave as such. No need to make any changes on this. Let you know each option in detail. Missed question means whichever question the student committed mistake is what missed questions. And here correct answers, whichever questions the student made correct responses, then that question will be appeared. And point values, how many points the student have got out of total points, that information will be given. So if you want to show all these options to the students, then you can check. So obviously we are going to show the students how many questions the students missed and how many correct answers they have made, and the total score we are going to show. So we can enable all these options. Once everything is over, then click on save button. Once it is saved, we have previewed the question and it worked fine, and necessary settings also done. Once it's over, then we can create a link and share to our students. In order to create and share the link, we know that click on send option, then here click shorten code. To get the short code of the link, then click on copy. Now the link is what we are going to share to the students to assess. So here WhatsApp is there. Click here, then here right click, paste, then click on send. So this is the link. By using this link, the student can appear for the quizzes. Now let me open my mobile phone and I'll show you how it appears when the student opens through mobile phone. Now I opened WhatsApp and here is the link. Click on the link. When I click, the form will be opened, that is the quiz will get opened. Now see, here we have received. So under the first question you have to enter the name. Here I am passing name as Divnesh, and deliberately here I am going to commit mistake. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores, but here I am going to enter as omnivores. And second, we know that which of the following are omnivores. Here cat and dog. Here I have entered correct option. For this we will get 2 points. And the third one, the answer is nectar. I am entering here nectar. The correct response I am going to give here. And in the last question, that is there is an example of herbivore, and deliberately I am committing mistake over here. So altogether 2 questions, 2 responses we have committed mistake, and 3 responses are correct. Now we are going to click on submit button. So when I click on submit button, you see here online quiz, your response has been recorded. Whether the response has been recorded or not, we have to go and see over the system. So let me check it out. So here you see one response has been received, and in the first insights, under insight you will see the overall average of the quizzes. So only one response, only one student has appeared. So here you can see average is 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5, we know that 2 questions we have made a mistake, right? So firstly appears frequently missed questions. Here frequently missed questions means whatever the question we have committed mistake, all those questions will appear here. So animals which eat only plants, we deliberately made mistakes, so that is here you can see correct responses. Here 0 out of 1, and there is an example of herbivores. So this also we have committed mistake. So from this we can find that whichever the question students made mistake, that will appear first. And in the next section you can see enter your name. So name is a mandatory one, and we have not awarded any points, so it won't carry any marks. So followed by that you can see the response for each question will appear over here. Animals which eat only plants are called wrong. So wrong options will be highlighted with the gray symbol, and in the question itself the correct option will be given. See here herbivores, which is in green color, right? So all the options will be there, correct options will also be provided, and the option selected by the student will be highlighted with the gray color if it is wrong. And the second question you see it is highlighted in green color, which means correct option we have selected. So here you can see very well that 1 out of 1 correct response. Got it? Honeybees collect sweet juices present in the, here nectar is the correct answer and 1 response, right? So this is how the entire quiz can be analyzed by the teacher. So once it is over, now again we go to the mobile view to view the score. So that part is left. This is the teacher part. Teacher can see and analyze the question answer. Student will also come to know, right? So that part is missing, that we will see. So now look at the screen here. Once the student submits, then an option appears view score. So when click on view score, you can see here total point. The first page itself says the total point 3 out of 5, and the name appears over here, and the mistake you can see, this is the first question, animals which eat, this is mistake, and here correct answer is given as herbivores. And feedback you see, sorry you are wrong. This feedback we have prepared during design of the question. So whatever the feedback you give during the design will appear over here. The second option is correct one, as you can see 2 points the student get, and the feedback you see excellent. And then the next question, herbivores, honeybees collect the sweet juices present in the leaves. So this is correct option, so the student gets 1, and entire question and answer is highlighted in green color. For wrong answer you can see it is red, highlighted in red color. So here false we have selected, but the right answer is true, and the feedback is wrong answer. So once the student submits the quiz, The student can rectify their own mistake and they can identify the correct option too. So by awarding suitable feedback also, the student will get motivated. So this is how we can create an effective online quiz to assess our children. So this is all about creating online quiz. I believe you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can mention your doubts and queries in the comment section.
So that's all we have in today's video. I hope you found this video useful. If so, then hit the like button and share as much as possible to your friends. And if not subscribe this channel right now and press bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So see you all on another day with a new ICT tool. Till then, take good care of yourself.